Yo, welcome to CMTV. This is your boy Lee. I present another episode of NGIYAKUFUNA, a show where you can confess to someone about your feelings. Let's see who's going to be brave today.
Hello guys, my name is Balungile and I've been watching your shows, so I'm here on NGIYAKUFUNA. Ndifuna nindincede ndihook up with this guy uNgcebo. I've been watching this show, so ndicela nindincede ndifumane lo guy, and lo guy uyangichaza yo like isrots zakhe, indlela anxiba ngayo and indlela anxiba ngayo man uyangichaza lo mfana lona. So guys, please do something. Like, I really want this guy, I really want him, ndiyamfuna.
Aw, njani Balungile?
Oh, hello, ndiyaphila wena?
And right. Manje ndiyeva bathi uthi ufuna sikhulume.
Yeah, ndiyafuna sikhulume, like usuke wanqaba man, kuthana unqabile.
Hayi, impilo inzima yazi nawe. Nisabhizi izinto zinibambile. Kodwa uyazi mangabe kukhuma wena ngizoza.
Ne? Yo, okay ke. Uskasi man, ubukathi uphi?
Eish. Hey, izinto mangathi ngithi ngiyakutshena lezo ezinye. Mara yeah, been around just ukuthi wena angazi vele why nawe ukahlahle ufuna kahlahle.
Awu, ndifuna sihlale sobayithu sikhulume phela. Awu.
Hayi hleli ke sikhulume.
Sikhulume. Ucebo is a nice guy. You don't text me these days. What happened?
No, it's just that, I have a lot of people like Ibaning. Ibani efuta intombazanezi yo. Sezinyana amanamba nje noma ngacana ukucela. Ngivela nokudlulela estradini yazi.
That you don't even give me attention bawo.
Hayi, yesh, nalapho baninzi phela melwazi uthi siyasababeka kahle. Kodwa
so mina ke ukunibeka kuphi lapho xa usithi baningi?
Hayi phela ndiyakubeka nawe kodwa andazi uthi ufuna ndikubekephi kodwa ndiyakubeka kuba ndithi hello, at least na last week ngithe hello I how intoni.
Yeah, that's not enough. I at least take me three times a day or more, like,
3 times a day?
Yes.
My girlfriend yona izotholani yona?
How
uthi.
Oh, so une girlfriend?
Hayi, mara ukhona umngani yabo.
Umngani. So mina ngiyini kuwe xa khona umngani?
Now umngani alithi.
How long have you guys been friends?
Yo, way back. First friend I met vele,
So now that unabangani abatsha kutheni ungasanikhathalela ngamna?
Ndiyakukhathalela kodwa nawe nje ungada unikhathaleli nje. Kodwa
kaloku nibone wena ukuthi awuniki attention.
Awunandaba nantoni attention yami kodwa?
Phela I want your attention. How?
Nangu ndimbona nje uThabo ethi wena naye ninani niphusha something lapha eside.
uThabo unamanga lo, wayeqamba amanga ngami.
Siyaqamba amanga.
Uqamba amanga uThabo, angayenza njani into enjalo phela?
Hayi phela ngiyezwa bathi wena hey masonaye izihlukile nje lento ngitshena yona angiyiboni nje.
So nguye lo wenze uba i relationship yethu ihambelane phakathi.
Akusunguye. Kodwa nje nawe nje kuyafana. Andiboni nje ungathi khonto yenzayo. Kahle ngizikhiphana ngayo phakathi kwakho noThabo.
uThabo bendichitha nje ixesha ngaye because wena ubunganiki attention, so bendinga nje umuntu othetha naqoma mandiye phakathi uThabo.
Ngixela ukuba ke azange usale sokuthi hayi Thabo mina nawe sesingayigqiba indaba le uyafana umfana akananto.
What is the story with Thabo?
Thabo yakwami yazini. Manje uThabo tells me that there's this chick he likes. He's telling me every day ukuthi yena nalo mntwana they have a future. Ubona something kulo mntwana.
Athi bengenalo kakwenzakala into between mina noThabo. We were just friends with Thabo.
Oh, you're just friends?
Yeah.
That's not what I hear from Thabo mina.
Is it?
Hey.
Ubeni phela?
Phela manje senzoba umuntu mase ngizotshela into endizikhuluma nabanye abantu.
So uyanifihlela manje. Ungumngane onjani kanti ofihlela omnye umngane wakhe izinto?
Phela abangani.
Phela benisithi ukuthi mina nawe siyazwana but
siyavana kodwa manje at that level angazi uthi
hayibo, you know what I mean. Yes, so
I don't know yazi mina vele.
Oh, you want to tell me? Singabangani noThabo akukho nto.
Yazi le ndaba yokuthi sikhulume ngoThabo la andivisisi mina. uThabo umngani wami andivisisi ukukhuluma ngaye kanje andivisisi kahle le ndaba at all. I don't like this.
Oh, okay. So, okay, let me tell you the reason why we're here.
Yeah.
Like, I've brought you here because
okay, signele i-hour or 3 days or indoni. Khawutsho phela.
ndiyakufuna.
Cheese up. Uthini?
I want you.
Yo.
You're a nice guy, Thabo.
No. Yo. Yo. I saw. Yo. No.
Yini kwenzekani? Ndiyakuthanda Thabo. Yo knows how to treat a lady.
How do you know?
Abaleke ngifonela esithi masiphume out. Yeah, intengela nama flowers, so ndimbone as a guy alright.
Ona potential.
Yes.
Ayibo ndiva uthi andikuva kahle uthi uThabo andikuboni nje ngibizeleni lapha ngoba uzokhuluma Thabo.
How?
Ndiyakuva uthi Thabo ndikuThabo
mina ngifuna wena phela ngifuna
Thabo. Uthi Thabo ndimvile uThabo mina ndiyamva kahle. Amadle bayasebenza phela.
No, we were not flirting with Thabo. We were just giving
Giving what? You guys were giving each other something.
Company.
Oh, you are giving each other company.
Yes.
Awu ukhuluma ngathi awuzivanga ukuthi uthe Thabo. Orina awuzivanga ukuthi uthe Thabo.
No, wanzange nditsho. Serious kanditsho.
Okay, yeah. Mara mina ansayiva kahle lento le enhleke andikho comfortable ngokukhuluma lento endiyikhulumayo ngoku. I feel like I should do this off camera yazi. Can we do this off camera?
Nah, it's not possible. We can only do it live now because the whole point of you being here is because we want to show people on camera.
But this going it's okay. Never mind.
Are you hiding something?
I'm not hiding something, but it's just uncomfortable. She's talking about my boy. It's my boy here. It's not someone I knew. So I don't like involving him in some shit like this. Thabo wants the girl, and it's gonna be hard for me to break Thabo's heart because he keeps telling me everything. He likes this girl. This girl has everything. She's smart. My God, imagine I'm taking his girlfriend.
You know ndithanda wena uThabo andimthandi and be mistake uba ndibiza utha igama lika Thabo kulento lena uyayazi okwendizifela ngawe mina ndifuna wena cebo.
You know, I cannot say that I'm into her, but she's good looking, you know. But that's the thing. Thabo wants her for like future plans. Mina, I might not last even that long. So angazi nje ukuthi should I break Thabo's heart for just pussy or what? Hayibo. Wandenza iphixi phambi komhlaba wonke. Babukelile abantu. Angeke ngishaye uThabo ngestina. Thabo umngani wami. Best friend from childhood.
So wena caba unithandi?
Uyigirlfriend kaThabo. Ndoni kanti?
Thabo akusiyo boyfriend yami cebo. Endinoza kuwe kanti uThabo i-boyfriend yami.
Ngitshela ukuthi uThabo angavele njani qambela amanga nje mina. Atsho nje.
Cacila kaloku uThabo une jealous.
Jealous?
Yes.
Umngani wami wonke manje anisaboni kahle.
Oh, hayi ke.
So you guys haven't smashed?
No.
Serious?
Ndiyakuva ukuthi uyanithanda kodwa kuyafana nje manje ngikuthanda ngizo explain ngifenithini kuThabo. uThabo uzonibuza ukuba anisambuzi nanisamxele nomxelela ukuba ndize anithatha ugelo wakhe. Ebengixelela mina ukuthi nanga ugelo wakhe umcholile.
Hayi but ukutshelile uThabo akusiyo boyfriend yami cebo. Kunande nthini?
Andazi ke mara at least if uThabo bepha.
So I think ilonto ezonithethela because mina andimfuni ndifuna ucebo. And naye uyayazi uba akukho nto ibike yenzeka between us.
Bekuzoba ngcono. Benzowazi ukuthi nimbuze nibone ukuthi uthini ngale ndaba. cause anivani nokuthi ngilwisane nabangani bami. Thabo umngani wami engingafuni ukumluza. Kodwa nawe umhle. Kodwa andazi.
Nke asibiza uThabo azoziphendulela. My date with Cebo, yo, it was a bit challenging.
Kulungile mangavela Thabo ngoba if nje angavuma ukuthi wena naye Njuli ushuthi mina nawe sesingaphusha into esiphusha. Akuna stress. Nakhona ngiyakubona omhle unjalo.
Okay.
I hope this doesn't break our relationship between Thabo. Eish. You know, we cannot be fighting over girls. Ayike mangafika uThabo sesobona andazi ukuthi uzowenzalani kodwa kungcono miyapha ezoziphendulela ngoba mina andivisisi kahle le ndaba kodwa ungambiza uThabo wakhona sesokhuluma sigqibeke nawe uThabo sela ngoba le ayikho right ayengikhulume izinto emva komuntu.
Asibiza uThabo ke. Ndifuna ukuthi kuCebo. Cebo, ndiyakuthanda kakhulu. And ingase isicelo sami usive like uyibone lonto bandiyakuthanda kakhulu. Besides izinto zoThabo and what yabo. So I hope sizohamba sibe right.